guys? It's Trevor. We're on the Arctic Vet channel today, and we're getting ready to go cars and coffee. We're running a little bit late this morning. I'll blame her. But it's super foggy out right now, and like 35 degrees. Now it's supposed to be 100% rain. It's not raining yet. And then this rain is supposed to turn into snow, and we're supposed to get like 6 inches of snow, right? So, I don't know. We'll see what happens. It's definitely gonna be fun. And I still don't see anybody up here. But we're gonna get set up, and maybe we'll get some cool shots with this little snow pile back here. Next month is gonna be the car event of the year. You're not gonna want to miss that one. We're gonna have I can't tell you, but I'm so excited. So we will get stuff ready and start going, and then I'll try and get some video for you throughout the day of it and get back to you guys. Catch you in a minute. February Cars and Coffee. Downpouring. But I gotta give it to these guys that all came out, because it was supposed to do this. And we got another guy over there. We got, let's see, how many cars have we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He's over there doing donuts. We're not supposed to do that. Fuck yeah. That was cool. Hey, thanks for coming out. You heading out?
I don't know. I'm with them. I'm the next one.
Oh, okay.
So right back there.
Alright. Oh. So I lost count where I was counting. We'll start counting this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cars. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 cars. 18 cars that come out to this Cars and Coffee. And this rain is freezing cold. Freezing So when it's raining out, this is how you do Cars and Coffee. Everybody sits in their car and we just play some music. That's what oh man. Well, this video is gonna be super shaky, but I'm freezing, I'm soaking wet, my pants are soaking wet. There's so much rain. Oh, now I got the big boys out. Oh yeah. Woo, woo. I guess maybe it's my turn. The real exhaust note that we want. Oh yeah. She's just as wet as I am. Alright guys, so we're gonna just end it right here. If you guys enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment down below. Let me know if you would attend Cars and Coffee like this, if you're this hardcore or not. Could you do it? It's freezing cold out here. I had a great time. I want to give a shout out to everybody that came out, enjoyed this lovely cold weather with me, and we'll catch you in the next video. Have a great day.